Hi, welcome back to ComputeBit. For this one, learn to create a logo in a matter of seconds with this useful website. Let's get started. First, make sure to open your browser. Then search up Hatchful. Then, find the link. It should be by Shopify. Scroll down. Click Open the Hatchful tool. The website should look like this. Now, you can choose what category design you need. Choose what style you want. Next, write your logo name and, if you want, a slogan. Choose all that apply. And boom, I just made you plenty of logos within minutes. From these options, pick the one you like best. I'm going to pick this one. From here you can style or customize your logo the way you like it. You can change the color, fonts and text. Done customizing, press Next to continue. To download your fresh-made logo, you will need to sign up. Finally, we can download our logo. Just click Download and you're done.
Thank you for watching my video.